Okay.
Don't too much. Don't too much. Stop. Yeah.
There's Greg putting the special epoxy into the holes here.
The inspector here.
And there's Gary. Say hello, Gary.
Hello.
Gary's the special inspector. Let's do an observation of the placement and setment of the bolts and the epoxy. And we're down. We got what, a 3.5 inch hole, and we need 3 inches of embedment.
Okay, that's good work. Yeah, it's work.
Yeah,
Okay,
you put a little too much in this one.
That's okay. Next one you adjust it.
Yeah.
That's good. So you got plenty of epoxy under the hex head too.
Yeah, I'm kind of like screwing it down.
That's okay, good. Go next one and then you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I had it on the dashboard. It got a little too warm on me.
Oh, it's running pretty quick.
Yeah, it needs to be at 80 degrees.
So this is the process of setting the epoxy bolts here, stainless steel bolts and set XP epoxy, and we have the field engineer here doing a field observation, which is required by building code for this project, and this is a specially licensed engineer that does field observation and field tests. So we're going to just stay back, and you can see the big epoxy gun that we're using, and we have to inject that into the holes in order to set the bolts.
Each one you can have a little bit over. That will be for sure.
Yeah, I think maybe 3 squirts.
Yeah. You see that one? You're only 1/3.
Now we're doing quite a few railings here at the hotel, and the procedure here is this particular project, all the holes will not have to be individually inspected, but probably at the beginning, middle, and end. And this is all for this railing system was custom made for the Ritz-Carlton Hotel here in Half Moon Bay. Beautiful powder coated finish. And we have what's called our heritage profile railing. You can see the profile of the rail that we made. It's a very, very nice railing. It's got a nice detail on the top, beautiful grip, very consistent with Ritz-Carlton. This is a Ritz-Carlton color here, this beige, and again just a beautiful piece of railing that was all specially fabricated here for the Ritz-Carlton. So again, we're here, Golden Gate Enterprises, doing another railing project, which we do throughout the San Francisco Bay Area here. People hire us because of the quality of our work, quality of our product, and our expertise in doing these things. And as we mentioned before, all of our projects generally have various types of engineering associated with them. And in this case, there are engineered plans. You can see here, this is our permit, and there are all the engineering details. And this is done by our licensed structural engineer. We do all the plans, engineering, and permits for all of our projects, whether they be railings, decks, structural repairs. These are areas that Golden Gate Enterprises specializes in. Thanks again. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises.